Dear students, in this video lecture, we will see the practical related to the preparation of trans-dioxalato diaqua chromate third dihydrate. And this is a coordination compound which can be easily synthesized in the laboratory, and in this structure you will find that this chromium is in third oxidation state, and there are two oxalate bidentate ligand. They act as bidentate ligand, and these oxalates, they are trans to each other. So we are going to prepare this coordination compound by some simple steps, and you will be benefited, and I think you can easily form this complex in your laboratory. Let's start the preparation.
Hello everyone, today we are performing a MSc 4th semester inorganic preparation, which is based on the preparation of crystal of potassium trans-dioxalato diaqua chromate third dihydrate, which formula is this, like trans K Cr C2O4 whole twice H2O whole twice dot 2H2O dihydrate. Feel about the things that what are the apparatuses required for the preparation. We will be required for firstly the one beaker of medium size and a porcelain dish for evaporating the final product, and at last the crystal which we will get is of dark purple color. So let's start. Now this is oxalic acid. We will be required a 6 gram of oxalic acid, which is measured by a weighing balance. Now we will pour this oxalic acid into a beaker. Now another, we are having this 2 gram of potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, which we will prepare a solution in 10 or 20 ml. The exact ratio is not given, but we can take an exact ratio about 10 ml or 20 ml solution, which we will mixed in the oxalic acid which we have taken in another beaker. Now the solution of potassium dichromate should be prepared in a hot water solution. So for this we have kept hot water to become hot and raising its temperature. This potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7, which 2 gram of it we have taken in a beaker. Now we will prepare its solution, which will be prepared by a hot water. Now we will shake it for some time until the complete portion of K2Cr2O7 is soluble in water. Now the solution which is of K2Cr2O7 is now prepared. Now at the starting in which we have taken 6 gram of oxalic acid in a beaker, we will add this solution to this compound, but we have to avoid a vigorous reaction during the mixing. By sliding the beaker from the wall of the beaker, we will pour the complete K2Cr2O7 solution in the mixture. Now we will shake this for only 1 minute, or to completely soluble things not get a part of it. So we will completely mix this until it gets completely soluble. as we can clearly see the some amount of mixture is still insoluble, so we will firstly make it completely soluble, then we will further proceed. Now the completely soluble mixture is obtained. Now we will see, we have put it that complete mixture on a Bunsen burner flame, because now we have to see that the volume, which is the full volume of the mixture, we have to heat until its volume become 1/3 of the total mixture. So we will wait for 5 to 10 minutes to become 1/3 of this complete solution. Now we will pour this solution in the porcelain dish, and now this mixture will be kept for until the time that we will get a dryness crystal, or we can say that we will evaporate it until dryness. Now, after 5 to 6 minutes, we got the mixture in a evaporated, completely dried form, and that obtained crystals are now firstly washed with water and then with ethanol, and we get such type of crystals. Now, these are the crystals of potassium trans-dioxalato diaqua chromate third dihydrate, which is of purple colored obtained. Thank you.
Now it's time to acknowledge those who practically did this experiment and prepared a video of this preparation of trans-dioxalato diaqua chromate third dihydrate for you all. So these are our students of MSc in Organic Chemistry, and they are Ajay Malkani, Lata Kavidyal, Ranjana Adhikari, Simran Katet, and Tanuja Negi. I again thank them for their support and their conduction of this practical for you all. And again, and now I am thanking you for watching this video. Thank you very much.